guys, it's Twineefab.
You're always doing the awkward stuff.
Guys, we have a very cool and inspirational video for you guys. I mean, what can I tell you about this? It's dedicated to all of you who suffer from depression, who think that you're not gonna get out of it, that you're not worth, that your day's not gonna be lighting up. I got news for you.
Yes, we got news for you. The truth about us making this video, in the past, I suffered from depression for 4 years of my life, and you know, I always pray to God that He would take that feeling away. You know, I feel better. I feel like I have the support from my family, from my sister, my business partner. If it wasn't for my family, my sister, I don't know where would I be. Honestly, first of all, I don't know what I would do if I didn't have God in my heart. So this video, like my sister said, is for you guys that have suffered from depression. Don't feel discouraged. Don't feel like you're not gonna accomplish anything in life. We've been through thick and thin together. She brings me up, I bring her up. Since we were like what, 8 years old, maybe 9 years old. It's been a roller coaster. It's been a roller coaster. But we want to tell you guys that no matter what you go through, no matter what the situation may be, know that God is with you and that you can trust in Him. You can never trust on men, but only on God. So remember, stand up, keep on walking.
Yeah. We made this video, and the concept of it is, it's not that she needed makeup to enlighten her day, but I wanted to show her that never forget about your passion. So I was reminding her that her passion first is God, and then it's the makeup. So I was like, okay, don't feel discouraged, don't feel like there's no solution, like you're not gonna get out of it. Let's put some makeup on and some weave.
The weave. Yeah, I got the extensions.
We actually use Bellamy hair.
Bellamy hair, guys. Bellamy hair. These are the best extensions I ever seen in my life. And it's actually the first time I use extensions, so it feels good. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you will know every time we put a video. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. We see you next time.